site of the Bartlett Hotel, but before that it was the Grand View Hotel that was built in 1895 and it burned down, destroyed by a fire in 1898. So it's pretty cool, the history. It's an old town, so we're just excited to explore today and see what we have to see.
Sliding jail.
It just slid right on down the hill and landed here. I really hope nobody was inside, because that would have been an interesting one. Audrey mine shaft was built in 1918, and this is where they dug copper out of the ground, and they have the shaft covered so you can walk over it. It goes down 1,800 feet is the deepest level. 1,700 feet. So if you look at this,
whoa!
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Beneath us is a void of approximately 1,900 feet. Holy crap.
Whoa!
This is the Empire State Building. That is the mine shaft I'm gonna walk over right now. Are you gonna do
Use
this?
the handrails.
Are you gonna do this too?
No.
You're not gonna walk over it?
Go. Just go, man.
It's slippery.
Is it slippery?
Yes.
Oh, moly, moly, moly.
Well, that was enough for today's adventure.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. That was scary.
Yeah. There's a turbine and generators.
It's so cool that they have all this old equipment here for people to look at and get up on the history about. It's so crazy to like think about going that far down into the ground. Like,
Pretty insane.
I can't even comprehend how far down that is.
All right. Wish us luck. We're doing it again. Are you ready?
You go first.
Use the handrails.
Use the handrails. And this is what they would have to write down on. Like, it's all hooked up to the cable.
Clang, clang.
Oh my gosh, could you imagine, like, just riding in here forever?
Wow.
How long does it take to ride? Okay, so we watched a YouTube channel, Ghost Town Living, with Brent Underwood. Super cool channel. and he rides one of those things down in the mine shafts all the time, and it doesn't even go down. What, he goes down to like 700 level, and it takes him like 45 minutes to go down on something like that. I couldn't even imagine going down 1900 feet.
Insane.
Crazy. Hey guys. So we are at our final destination for tonight. So we are staying at the Jerome Grand Hotel, which is a haunted hotel. So it was originally a hospital built back in the early 1900s, and then it sat abandoned for about 44 years, and somebody bought it in 1994, 96 and converted it into a hotel. So there was probably a lot of dust here because of the hospital factor, and there was also a maintenance worker that was killed, crushed by the elevator, and the elevator's really old and really creepy. So we'll show you that in a few minutes. But it's a pretty cool place. Sit up here on the top of the hill. I think it sits at what, 5,000 feet above sea level, and it is at like a slope, so let's hope there's no earthquake tonight. But we have a beautiful view, so we have a balcony room. We have a beautiful view of the valley out here, so hopefully we can catch a really cool moonrise tonight. And we're gonna go get some dinner and then set up our ghost hunting equipment and try to catch some ghosts and drink some beers. Beers this is. All right. Okay, so I just want to show you, like, this is what we have to like figure out. You have to have a key, and you gotta like press the button, and you've got doors. This is old. It's kind of cool. Oh, okay.
Whoa!
So it's really loud. Okay, so we gotta turn it off, take the key out, open the door. And then we have to make sure we close the doors behind us. And there you go.
Hello?
Was that you that touched the device? Can you do it again?
Can you come here and talk to us?
If you were a minor, can you make it go off just one time? If you worked at the hospital, can you make it go off just one time? That was like great.
Can you make that go up all the way to red? Can you grab a hold of that antenna really hard?
Are you a little kid? Can you make it go off just one time?
If you are a man, touch that antenna for us, please.
Did you work here? Whether at the hospital or at the hotel? Can you just make it go off one time? So you worked here.
All right. If you were a doctor, will you go close to the antenna and make it go off? Or if you were a doctor? Is that a yes?
Make it go off again if it's a yes. Alright, you're a doctor here.
Have you heard of Tombstone, Arizona? Yeah? That's where we're going tomorrow. So you're a male doctor, adult doctor. Are you under 40 years old?
If you're under 40, can you make it go off one time again? So you're under 40, a doctor.
Under 40?
Yeah, you made it
Under
off
40 years old?
one time.
Yep. Yeah? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, this is it from the Jerome Grand Hotel.
It's an awesome stay. Great place. We got some pretty cool activity. 1 a.m. Check out the Instagram page. Yeah, so now we're off for a 5-hour plus trek to Tombstone.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
Let's go. That way. Hi. Hi. How are you?
Then you can turn it around and like.
How are you today? Time to go to Tombstone, motherfucker. Alright, that's it from Jerome. We had a great time exploring and adventuring and just everything in between. And investigating too.
It was a blast.
Yep. So, yeah, thanks for joining us on
Our PNW Adventures. Go Southwest.
Peace out.
Deuces.